Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Fashion Packing and happy winters. Yes, winter has already arrived, and whenever winter arrives, it comes with a lot of skin problems like dehydrated skin, pimples, itchy skin and lot more. Normally my skin type is oily or combination, but during winter season usually my skin becomes a lot more drier. So I like something which can help me prevent my pimples as well, because I am pimple acne prone skin type. So I have been using a product since past 1 year which has actually solved my skin related issues, and I belong to combination skin, so that product doesn't make my skin oily or greasy as well. So do you want to know what is that product? L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Micro Essence. Why I love this product is because of the formula. You can see it's very water-like consistency. It's very lightweight, non-greasy, non-oily. It's not at all oily. It gets penetrated into deep layers of your skin and reduces your skin problem. So I love this particular product personally. It has salicylic acid also inside it. And now I am so happy to introduce their new launch with you all, that is L'Oreal Paris Crystal Gel Cream. I have been using this particular cream since past 20-25 days, and I am ready to give you my review on this particular product. So talking about the packaging of the product, you can see it looks so luxurious. It comes in the frosted glass like a packaging, and it has the silver cap. As you can see, it looks so good on your vanity. So that's about the packaging. The consistency of the product is very lightweight. It's gel like, it's also non-greasy at the same time. I was so excited about the launch because this product also has salicylic acid inside it, and there is no other cream in the market which has salicylic acid inside it. So I was so happy that I have got a savior moisturizer for my acne prone skin. So let's see, how do I layer these products onto my skin.
Here I am applying L'Oreal Paris Micro Essence. I'll be taking few drops of it on my palm and will be gently pressing it on my skin. You can see it's water-like consistency, and it's very lightweight, non-greasy, non-oily, and it gets penetrated into your skin very easily. Now I'm going to use L'Oreal Paris Crystal Gel Cream. It's a new launch. It has a essay inside it. So it's going to also protect your skin from acne along with moisturizing your skin. It is again very lightweight and very gentle moisturizer.
This moisturizer, water-based, oil-free formulation, locks in all the moisture into your skin without breaking out your skin. So the salicylic acid is something which takes out all the dead layer from your skin and take out that extra sebum from your skin without making your skin dry, and also prevents your skin from pimples. So that is why you should inculcate salicylic acid into your skincare routine if you are someone from oily or acne prone skin. And also this crystal gel cream penetrates into 10 deep layers of your skin and moisturize your skin well along with protecting your skin. This particular gel cream is endorsed by renowned dermat Dr. Ophelia. So now you know that this brand is also clinically and dermat tested, so it's very safe to be used. You don't have to think a lot before trying this particular product. You can see my skin right now. I have not applied any foundation. I have just applied this crystal gel cream along with this micro essence, and I have just topped up with some blush and highlighter. That's it. I have not used any kind of a base product. You can see it from close also. And these products have given me a very good result. So on my recommendation, you guys can try this product. By now you know that I'm just loving this product, and this particular product comes in two sizes, 15 ml and 50 ml. If you will go for 15 ml, that's going to cost you rupees 299, and if you are going for 50 ml the full size product, it's going to cost you rupees 699, which is pretty good. So the links are in the description. Go and buy the products from those links. So that's it for this video. Do give it a try and let me know how do you like it.